ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। शाकल्य ब्राह्मण पेज नंबर 925. The comparison or similarity is given between Vriksha and Purusha. Then the question was asked about what is the Vaishamyam, Vaidharmyam. So it is said, Vriksha, if it is cut, then it grows back. From where would the Mrita Purusha come back, arise again? And then the Siddhanti itself said, you cannot say from Retaha, because Jivatah Purushat Retaha Prajayate, na Mritat. Just as in case of tree, there is Kandaruha and Dhanaruha, growing from the stem or growing from the seeds. In Purusha, in case of Purusha, from where is the Utpatti? Mantra, the shloka number 6. Introduction in Tika. Tathapi katham vaidharmyam ityashankya. Where is the vaidharmyam? 10 number tippani. Nanu sakaranaka nashta vrikshavat jagatopi tatha nashat पुनरनुत्पत्तेर न वैधर्म्य दृष्टान्तः संभवति इति कृतं तत्कारण चिन्तया इति आशयेन वाक्यांतरम अवतारयति। तथापि जगतः कारणाभावे अपि इत्यर्थः। ननु सकारणक नष्ट वृक्षवत्, just as a vriksha, if it is nashta, along with its moolam, karanam is moolam here. Like that, jagatopi tatha nashat. Now you see, suddenly there is discussion about jagat. Up till now, this similarity was given between vriksha and purusha. The skin of the purusha, the loma of the purusha, the snava, etc. And then now there is a discussion about jagat. So it is not only one purusha, all beings. This is how you should understand. And that's why comes the question of jagat. From where does jagat come back? So that's why the vriksha actually is samsara vriksha. In this way, you should keep the simile. Even though the shlokas did talk about purusha only. Somebody may say, okay, this is Tippanikar's opinion. Shloka has not said, mantra has not said any such thing about jagat yet. It will say, that is how Tippanikar is mentioning now. Sakaranaka nashta vrikshavat jagatopi. Jagat also tatha nashad punaranutpatte. If jagat is destroyed, means if there is pralaya, then how will it come back? Punaha anutpatte. Puna utpatti will not be there. Na vaidharmya drashtantah sambhavati. So vaidharmya drashtanta is not possible. Iti, therefore, vaidharmya drashtanta means how there is vaidharmya between vriksha and purusha, or vriksha and jagat. Vriksha does come back. Jagat, from where will it come back? Iti kritam tat karana chintaya. Kritam means vyartham. Vyartham tat karana chintaya. So jagat karana chintanam is vyartha. Because once there is nasha, punarutpatti will not be there. This is the intention of the questioner. To refute that, there will be the answer. So if Jagat Karan Abhav is there, then how there will be Utpatti? Tathapi Katham Vaidharmyam Ityashankyaha. See the sixth mantra now, the sixth shloka. Yat samulam abruher yur vriksham na punara bhavet martyah swin mrityuna vriknaha kasman mulat prarohati. Yat samulam abruheyuhu vriksham na punara bhavet. Vriksham yat samulam avruheyuhu. If the vriksha is along with the root uprooted, then punar na abhavet. Once again, it will not come back. In the same way, martyaha. So here you see, it is still martyaha, not jagat in the shloka. Martyaha swin mrityuna vriknaha. Martyaha, a person who is subject to destruction, vinasha, mrityu. When mrityuna vriknaha, when it is cut by the mrityu, then kasmat mulat prarohati, from which mulam it will grow back again. If you take martyaha as vinashi in general, it will apply for jagat. If you take martyaha only as vyakti, it will be a manushya, purusha. Ashya, yad, yadi. Yad is there in the shloka, yad samulam. Yad, yadi saha mulena dhanaya va avrheyuhu udyacheyuhu utpatayeyuhu. These are all samana artha shabda for uprooting. Vriksham na punara bhavet. Punaragatya na bhavet. Punaha agatya na bhavet. That vriksha would not come back. It would not grow again. टीका पुरुषस्यापि पुनरुत्पत्तिर्मा भूत इति आशंक्य पूर्वोक्तम निगमयति. Purusha also, utpatti will not be there. A vriksha, if it is uprooted, it will not come back. Like that, if the whole world is dissolved, then will it come back? If yes, from where? If not, it will be similar to Purusha. It will be similar to Vriksha. 1 number tippani on 926. Na bhavet, that na. Evam jagadapi yadi sakaranam samyak bodha baditam na tarhi bhuyo bhavati yada tu abaditam tada karanam asya avashyakam ityartha. Evam jagat api, in the same way, jagat also, yadi sakaranam samyak bodha baditam. If this jagat, along with its karana, samyak bodha baditam means by samyak jnanam, if it is negated, then it will not come back. Na tarhi bhuya bhavati. But if it is abaditam, then it will come back. If it comes back, then it has to have karanam. यदा तु अबाधितम तदा कारणम अस्य आवश्यकम इत्यर्थः. भाष्य 8 नंबर टिप्पणी ऑल्सो. पूर्वोक्तम निगमयति, पूर्वोक्तम चतुर्थ मंत्रोत्तरार्ध इत्यर्थः. Chaturtha mantra here means you should understand Chaturtha shloka of after 27th mantra. Huh? This you should note in that way. Chaturtha mantra means the shlokas, because these are shlokas. Right? It's said there.
Yes, Swami.
तान् एतैः श्लोकैः पपच. This is shloka it is referring to. तस्माद् वह पृच्छामि सर्वस्यैव जगतो मूलं मर्त्यस्मिन् मृत्युना वृक्णः कस्मान् मूलात् प्ररोहति. Now Bhagwan Bhashyakar uses the word jagat. तस्माद् वह पृच्छामि सर्वस्यैव जगतः मूलम्. Therefore, I ask you all, Yushmakam, Pruchhami, Sarvasyaiva Jagatam, of this entire Jagat, what is the Moolam? And Martyaha Swin Mrityuna Vruknaha, being Marana Dharma. Martya here now is Marana Dharma. Manushya, if you say, then also it is okay. Martyaha Swit Mrityuna Vruknaha Kasmad Moolat Prarohati. Swabhavavadam Utthapayati. Swabhavavadi will say, this is Swabhava to come back. Why do you need a Karana for it? This is how it is. Swabhavadeva Sakrut Utpannam na punarjayate iti Swabhavada. Sakrut Utpannam, once it is Utpannam, na jayate. So then, that is Swabhavada. Swabhavadeva, this will happen. This is important shloka. Jata eva na jayate konvenam janayet punaha vijnanamanandam brahma ratir dhatuhu parayanam tishtamanasya tadvida iti. Jata eva na jayate konvenam janayet punaha vijnanamanandam brahma ratir dhatuhu parayanam tishtamanasya tadvidaha. Jatah eva na jayate. Once it is utpanna, na jayate. Konu enam punaha janayet. So if it is already there, then it will not come back. This is Swabhavada. That is not right. Kaha nu enam punaha janayet. Who will bring it up again? Whether Purusha or Jagat. Either way, you should understand. This is the question. Up to this is the question of Yajnavalkya. So, Jata eva na jayate, this is the statement of Swabhavavadi. You should, in between, you should understand that is not right. Kahanu enam punaha janayet. Who will bring it back again? How will this samsara continue? What is the karanam? This is the Yajnavalkya's question. Then those Brahmanas, they could not answer. Yajnavalkya took all the cows officially and he left whole assembly as if it is seated, wants the answer to this question. So Shruti Mata is giving the answer now. Vijnanam Anandam Brahma Ratir Dhatuhu Parayanam Tishtamanasya Tadvidah. Brahma is the answer. What is the nature of Brahma? Vijnanam Anandam. Ratihi. In Kanva Patha, Kanva Shakha, this is the Patha that we see. In Madhyandina Shakha, Rater Dhatuhu Parayanam. It is Shashti Vibhakti. So Bhagavan Bhashyakar says here, this Prathama, you should accept it as Sashti. Rati means Dhanam. Dhanadata, Ratehe Dhatuhu, the giver of wealth. That Brahma, as Saguna, is giver of wealth. Wealth means Karma Phala, is Karma Phala Data. Our own wealth, which is Ritam, that we have to experience, enjoy, suffer, whatever. Rati Dhatu. And he is, that Brahma is Parayanam, Param Ayanam. Tishthamanasya. Tishthamanasya means Brahmanishthasya. Tishtha here means Brahmanishtha. The one who is Brahmanishtha, their Parayanam. And Tad Vidaha. Tad means Brahma. Brahmavid of the Brahmajnanis is the Parayanam. Of Brahmanishtha is the Parayanam. Or it is the Parayanam that Vijnanam Anandam Brahma. This is the answer. Iti. Jataha. Jataha. What is the dhatu?
Jani Pradurbhave.
In the morning, this dhatu came. This shabda jatam. Jatam is avyayam. Jata jani pradurbhave nishthapatyaya. Then nakara becomes a. What is the sutra? Janasana khanam sanjaloho. Janasana khanam sanjaloho. So nakar will become a. Then akasavarna dirgha jata. Jata eva na jayate. Somebody else will answer. How jayate, in that ja comes. Jani pradurbhave dhatu. How ja comes? Jayate.
Nya Janorja.
Nya janorja, correct. Nya dhatu and jan dhatu will get ja adesha. Bhashya. Jata eva iti manyadhvam yadi. Manyadhvam. Manyadhvam man jnane dhatu. Kartari lot madhyam purusha bahuvachanam. Atmanepada. Jata eva iti manyadhvam yadi kimatra prashtavyam iti. If you take it that it is already born, then why you are asking? Why? What is there to ask? It is very clear. It is not going to be coming back. Why? Iti shabdas chodya samaptyartha. Iti shabda is to show end of the objection. Janishyamanasya hi sambhavaha. Tadeva smutayati janishyamanasya hi sambhava. Sambhava means 7 number tippani. Sambhavati asmat iti sambhavaha karanam. Sambhava vyutpatti is given as sambhavati asmat iti sambhava. That from where there is utpatti. It is, then it refers to karana. So janishyamanasya hi sambhavaha prashtavyo. That which is subject to utpatti, for that you have to ask karana. That is already utpannam, why you have to ask karanam? Na jatasya. Ayam tu jata eva. This is already utpanna. Jata eva. Ato asmin vishaya prashna eva na upapadyate. In this vishaya, a question itself doesn't arise. Prashna eva na upapadyate. Chet. टीका न जायते इति भागेन उत्तरम आह न स्वभाववादे दोषम आह न किं तर्हि मृतः पुनः अपि जायते एव even if it is mrita again it will come back so jatah then it will be mritah punah jayate eva if you take swabhavavada then what is the dosha anyatha akritabhyagama kritanasha prasangat if there is no punarutpatti then akritabhyagama kritanasha what will happen to the karma that I have performed I will not get results for them karma that I have not performed, I will suddenly end up getting results for them. This is the apatti. 5 number टिप्पणी स्वभाववादे जगतो निष्कारणतया मृतस्य पुनर्जन्म अनभ्युपगम इत्यर्थः. If you take स्वभाववाद, then jagat is nishkaran because swabhava is it is its swabhava. It will happen this way. Why do you need karanam? So this Bauddha and Charvak and all, they are swabhavvadi. They will say, why water is cold? It is its swabhava. Why Agni is hot? It is its swabhava. You ask Vedanti, what is Vedanti's answer? Because there is Antaryami who is controlling that water, keeps it cold. Who is controlling? Means there is Chaitanya behind it. Why these seasons come and go? We say this Chaitanya. Swabhavvadi say, this is the Swabhava. Earth is rotating, sun is there, this, that. This is how things are. Swabhavastu pravartate. This is how things are. But Vedanti wants to show behind all this there is Chaitanya. So if you take Swabhavavada, it's you will not reach anywhere, which is what happened to them. They will become Shunyavadi or Charvak. They will say there is nothing. What is there? But somehow in Buddhism, even though there is Shunyavada, they are not like literally Uchrankhala. Means they don't just do things because I want to do it, etc. There is a darshan, there is a sadhana, there is chitta shuddhi and tapaha and everything. But what is the attainment is subject to question. But they will say Shunyam is nothing but Brahma only. It is just a different word. Because they will also say it is neither Asat, nor Asat, nor Sadasat, nor Asat Asat, something like that. Ataha ato vaha pritchami konvenam mritam punarjanayet. Therefore, I ask you all, vaha yushmakam pritchami konvenam mritam punarjanayet. This shloka, does it remind you of anything?
Mandukya Karika.
Yes. Which karika? Konvenam जनयेदिति कारणं प्रतिषिध्यते. That is the, I think 326 or something.
सम्भूतेरपवादाच्च सम्भवः प्रतिषिध्यते कोन्मेनं जनयेदिति कारणं प्रतिषिध्यते.
That one. Sambhuterapavadacha sambhava pratishidyate. Konvenam janayati. So this is what is referred there. Sambhuterapavada is Ishavasya. उत्तमेव स्फुटयति. तन्न विजज्ञुः ब्राह्मणा यतो मृतः पुनः प्ररोहति जगतो मूलम न विज्ञातम ब्राह्मणै. ब्राह्मणाः न विजज्ञुः. Brahmanas did not know why yatah mritah, that from which mritah punah prarohati, that jagato moolam, that they did not know. Na vijñatam brahmanai. Tika brahmavidam sreshtatve yajnavalkyasya siddhe phalitamaha. So now Yajnavalkya is sreshta among Brahmavid. He answered everyone's question. They could not answer his question. Gargi might have known the answer. She was Brahmavadini. But here she also understood that it is good. Yajnavalkya can take everything. Brahmavidam sreshtatve yajnavalkyasya siddhe phalitamaha ato brahmishthatvad hrita gavo yajnavalkyena jita brahmanaha samapta akhyayika. So now Yajnavalkya is Brahmishtha, Brahmishthatvat hrita, hrita taken away, gavaha, and brahmanaha jita. He has won over the brahmanas. Akhyayika is over here. Tika brahmanasya sarve yatha yatham jagmuhu ityarthaha. All the brahmanas left after knowing the answer. Not defeated, but answer was known to them through Shruti. So you can picturize this way, that all of them are seated, Yajnavalkya is going, but the sound is coming from the space. Vijnanam anandam brahma ratir dhatu parayanam konvenam ratir dhatu parayanam tishthamanasya tadvidaha, in this. And then slowly they started departing. Vijnanadi vakyam utthapayati. Now there is going to be long discussion on this last part of the mantra. Mantra means the shloka which is part of the mantra. Vijnanam anandam brahma. Yad jagat to मूलम येन च शब्देन साक्षात् व्यपदिश्यते ब्रह्म यद याज्ञवल्क्यो ब्राह्मणान् पृष्टवान् तत् स्वेन रूपेण श्रुतिरस्मभ्यम आह. That which is jagato moolam येन च शब्देन साक्षात् व्यपदिश्यते. साक्षात् अपरोक्षात् ब्रह्म. That is how it is व्यपदिश्यते. Or साक्षात् here is vidhi mukhena. Up till now it was done Nishedh Mukhena, now Sakshad Brahma. Yad Yajnavalkyo Brahmanan Prushthavan. That which Yajnavalkya asked. Tat Svena Rupena Shruti Asmabhyam Aha. Shruti tells all of us. Vijnanam means Vijnaptihi. Tika. Vijnana Shabdasya Karanadi Vishayatvam Varayati. Here Vijnanam is not Karanadi Vishayatvam. It is not the knowledge arising from karana, neither bahikarana nor antakarana. That vijnanam. Tacha anandam, and it is ananda swarupam. Na vishaya vijnanavat dukkhanuviddham. It is not vishaya vijnanam which is associated with dukkham. Like laukika sukha will have dukkham. This vijnanam is ananda matra. विषय विज्ञानवत न विषय विज्ञानवत दुखानुविक्तम किंतर्हि प्रसन्नम शिवम अतुलम अनायासम नित्यतृप्तम एकरसम इत्यर्थः. It is prasannam, shivam. Prasannam, Ananda is mentioned here as Prasannam. Prasannam, first see tika. Ananda Visheshanasya Krityam Darshayati. Ananda Visheshana Kritya he is doing. It is not Ananda like Vishaya Ananda, Vishaya Vijnana associated with Dukkham. Prasannam Dukkha Hetuna Kama Krodhadina Sambandha Rahitam. It is not having Dukkha Hetu Sambandha like Kama, Krodha, etc. Shivam Kamadi Karanena Ajnanena api Sambandha Shunyam. Kama Karana is Ajnanam, Ajnana Sambandha Shunyam is Shivam. In Kaivalya Upanishad so many times is Shivam Prashantam, Shivam Sadashivaha, all these words have come. So Ajnanena api Sambandha Shunyam. Satishayatva Prayukta Dukkharahityam Aha Atulam. Where there is Satishayam, then there is Dukkha. That Dukkha is not in this Brahma. Satishayatva Prayukta Dukkha Rahityam is Atulam. Atulam Aparimitam. It is immeasurable. And Anayasam. Anayasam, Ayasa Rahita. Ayasa is there if it is Sadhya. This is not Sadhana Sadhya. Parinishtita Rupam. Tika. Sadhana Sadhyatva Adhina Dukkha Vaidhuryam. It is Sadhana Sadhya. Adhina Dukkha is not there in this. So, in Sushupti, this is somebody asked a question, so I will connect it here. Is there? Okay. In Sushupti, Sushupti has Sukham. And in Sushupti, there is no Antakarana Vritti. Vidya Vritti is there, but Antakarana Vritti is not there. So Sushupti has Sukham. Sakshatkara is also similar. Because once the Jnanam has taken place, then the Anubhava is only in the form of Swarupa. There is no Vritti needed. So Antakarana Vritti is not there, but Ananda Anubhava remains. Sushupti Sukham and this Sakshatkar Sukham will become similar. That's why in Brihadaranyaka we will see in 4.3 and 4.4 Swapna, we have already seen this in Anubhuti Prakash. Swapna is example for Samsaranam. Sushupti is example for
Moksha.
Moksha. Sushupti is example for Moksha. Because they are similar in this aspect. It is ayasa rahita. Sushupti, once you go in deep sleep, there is no ayasa and still sukham continues. In the same way, in Brahmanubhava, sukham will continue, ayasa is not there. And just as in Sushupti, Jagat Bhanam is not there or Dvaita Bhanam is not there, when the Sakshatkara Parakashtha takes place, in the beginning one may not understand. But when that Sakshatkara gets momentum, when it is ripe, then what is known as wakeful sleep, they use these words, wakeful sleep. Actually, in Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta, you will see a word for this. It is Sushupti Jagrat. To the world, I am slept, but awakened to my Swarupa. So Brahmananda Anubhava is there and world I am not available. In the beginning, as it matures, then I am completely unaware of any duality. That Turiyaga Avastha, what they call, it ripens to that level. Because for this Atma Sukham, there is no effort needed. Your conducive prarabdha will help you. If the prarabdha is not conducive, it will not let you sit. If prarabdha is conducive, you will get plenty of opportunity for ekanta. One Mahatma, actually, I heard this case. He had to go to Allahabad to settle some court case. So he was there in one place, and from morning till evening, all this paper and that and all such things he had to deal with. In the evening, when he came back, so obviously where he was staying, they asked, what can we offer you? What do you want? What would you like? He said, I want ekanta. All I need is solitude now. I don't want anybody around. He said in Hindi, से एकांत की भूख लगी है मुझे अभी, मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए. And he said, until I open my door, nobody comes to ask me anything. This state of mind, when actually we seek for this, we long for this. I don't want anybody around. So that is what, if a person can get it, he will go in the higher absorption of this sukham. If we ourselves are not thirsty, not longing for such ekanta, how we will get it? We have to long for it. And long for it means in that ekanta then I want to absorb myself in this sukham, Atma Sukham. This is actual that Mahatma, because after all you want this solitude. You might have to deal with some case here, there, or administrative or some work, but finally you want to be free from all this. किन तद ब्रह्म, हाँ नित्य तृप्त, ठीक है, दुख निवृत्ति मात्रम सुखम इति पक्षम प्रतिक्षेपति. दुख निवृत्ति मात्रम सुखम, it is not like that. Means it is not only dukkha nivritti, it is actually sukham. Dukkha nivritti matram sukham is not there. Nitya triptam ekarasam ityartha. Anando jnanam iti brahmani akara bhedam ashankya aha. Anando jnanam iti brahmanyakara bhedam. In Brahma, akara bhedam, ananda, jnanam, they are two different. Akara bhedam aha, ashankya aha, ekarasam ityartha. किं तद ब्रह्म उभय विशेषणवत् विज्ञानम आनंदम. These two are the विशेषणास. उभय विशेषणवत् राति रातेः षष्ठ्यर्थे प्रथमा धनस्य इत्यर्थः. राति means रातेः षष्ठी. षष्ठी अर्थे प्रथमा. So shloka means the mantra says prathama, but you should understand षष्ठी. प्रथमा धनस्य इत्यर्थः. Why dhana here means karma phalam. Dhanasya dhatuhu, here it is given. First let us see tika. Phalam ata upapattehe iti nyayena brahmano jagan moolatvam aha. All the phala means karma phala. Karma phala is available from ataha, brahmanaha, from Brahma. Everything is available. 11 number tippani. अतः परमात्मनः सकाशात् सर्वस्य लोकस्य फलं भवितुम् अर्हति, न तु कर्मणः तस्य क्षणिकत्वात्. From कर्मणः is पंचमी, not from karma. Phalam doesn't come from karma, phalam comes from Paramatma. Karma is क्षणिक. क्षणिकत्वात् फलदातृत्व असंभवेन ईश्वरस्यैव तद्दातृत्व उपपत्तेः. ईश्वर is कर्म फलदाता. Brahma Sutra 3-38. ब्रह्मणो जगन्मूलत्वम् आह रातिः. धनस्य धातुः, धनस्य थर्ड टिप्पणी. तदुक्तम वार्तिके अदृष्ट फल संप्रेप्सोर दृष्ट कर्म फल त्यजः रातेर धनस्य धातुस्तद ब्रह्मेदम स्यात् परायणम. 58. So Brahma is Parayanam, Paramayanam. For those who do Danam, they are Data, Dhanasya Dhatuhu, and Rati. Rati means wealth. So these are the people who are interested in punya phala, the result of the charity, etc. So then that is what I seek. Adrishta, Mimamsakas use this term. So for them also, they think it is karma which will give the result, but it is not karma. We'll just complete this much. धनस्य धातुः कर्मकृतो यजमानस्य परायणं परागतिः. कर्मकृतः यजमान, the one who performs karma, the parayanam paragatihi karmaphalasya pradatri. Karmaphalasya data is the parayanam of yajamana also. ब्रह्म संस्थो अमृतत्वमेति इति श्रुत्यंतरम आश्रित्य तस्यैव मुक्तोपसृप्यत्वम् उपदिशति. ब्रह्म संस्थो अमृतत्वमेति, this is Chandogya 223:1. इति श्रुत्यंतरम आश्रित्य तस्यैव मुक्त उपसृप्यत्वम् उपदिशति. तस्य ब्रह्मणः मुक्त उपसृप्यत्वम्. किंच भाष्य व्युत्थाय एषणाभ्यस्तस्मिन्नेव ब्रह्मणि तिष्ठति अकर्मकृत् ब्रह्म वेत्ति इति तद्विच्च. ब्रह्मनिष्ठ, who is he? व्युत्थाय एषणाभ्यः, giving up all the desires, तस्मिन् ब्रह्मणि तिष्ठति अकर्मकृत्, कर्म संन्यासी. And tad ब्रह्म वेत्ति, knows ब्रह्म, ब्रह्म वेत्ति इति तद्विच्च. तस्य तिष्ठमानस्य च तद्विदः ब्रह्म parayanam iti. The parayanam of the 6 number टिप्पणी, जैसे parayanam iti paragatihi परिसमाप्तिर नदीनाम इव समुद्रः इत्यर्थः. Just as samudra is the parayanam of nadi. This we already saw in Yajnavalkya Maitreyi dialogue. Ekayanam, like that it was given. So this is ayanam. Tadidam brahma karminam bhedena parayanam. Tadvidam tu abhedena. For karmi, there is bhedena parayanam. Different karmi will get different results. All brahma jnanis will get the same result. This is the difference between karmi and jnani. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्ति भेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्त देहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.